Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making chicken soup. These are my ingredients: pumpkin, corn, scallion, turnip, cocoa, yam, chocho, little pimento, my dumpling, and Irish potato. I put them in water with a little vinegar because I don't want it to get dark. My meat, guys, and I'm using this kind of pumpkin. You don't want to use too much because this pumpkin is sweet and it will make your soup a little sweetish, so don't put a lot in it. And it's so hard to peel, guys. I'm telling no lie, it's tough to peel, you see. Trust me, my God, it's tougher than the pumpkin in Jamaica. And it's sweeter than the pumpkin in Jamaica too. I'm gonna just put my meat in now. Water is ready. I already washed it, guys. So I'm putting in my pumpkin, my corn, and my carrot as well. The pumpkin gives it the yellow color too as well, and also thickens the soup. And I'm also putting in some pimento seed. I like when it boils in my soup. I'm just going to cover this and let it boil for a little, guys, before I add the rest of the ingredients in. Okay? See, guys, boiling up. So I'm going to add my cocoa, chocho, and my yam in it. And this will boil some more. As it boils, the water, the water will decrease in the pot. So if I want any more, I have a kettle there with some boiling water that I will add to it. I'm just going to leave this to boil some more and put the dumpling in. So there it is, guys. Looking all yummy. To be seasoning it now. My thyme and my scallion. And guys, putting in 2 bouillon, 2 small ones. I am not a lover too much of noodles in my soup. I don't like a lot in mine. That's just me. The bouillon, it have a lot of flavor in it, so it flavors my soup. So I put less noodle because I don't like a lot in it, seriously. So this is what I do. I'm just gonna allow it here too. Boil, guys. A little Nike all-purpose inside of it just now. I don't put any salt in here, guys. I tasted just now and I didn't want any salt, so the inside of it. I love chicken foot. I'm going to put my scotch bonnet pepper in and just leave that to simmer. When you next see me, I'll be serving this, okay? Guys, you want to smell in my kitchen. My word. The scotchy smell up. The kitchen is a shame. Janu. Look at that, guys. Nice pot of chicken foot and chicken soup on a cold New York day. What else could you ask for? Yep. That's it, guys. Boat land. Soup already. It smells so good. Guys, this is how I like my chicken foot. Well boiled, like they're breaking apart. That's how I like it in my soup. I don't like when it's cooked and it's tough. I like when you put it in your mouth and it just melts away almost, you know. Yes guys, so this is it. Nice, right? And there it is, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my soup on this cold day. There it is. Yummy. That little Scotch bonnet taste, tastes so good. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Give me a thumbs up on this video, please. Thank you very much. See you next time.